The 2025 Eaton Fire in Los Angeles caused widespread damage due to extreme heat and dry conditions. Smart urban technology, like photocontrollers in streetlights, helped manage the disaster. These sensors improved public safety by enhancing visibility for firefighters and supporting smart lighting control during the emergency response. The role of photocontrollers in disaster prevention. In modern urban areas, Photocell sensors regulate lighting, integrate with IoT, provide real-time data, and play crucial roles in disaster management, especially in fire-prone regions like Los Angeles. Enhance emergency response capability. One key benefit of Photocell lighting sensors in urban infrastructure is remote streetlight adjustment during emergencies, as seen with intelligent control systems during the Eaton Fire response. Increase lighting in evacuation routes. This step ensures that first responders and evacuees have clear visibility. Reduce unnecessary power consumption. This action conserves energy for critical areas. Enhance security in affected areas by keeping streetlights operational. This helps even when main power sources fail. Emergency teams integrated Photocell street light controllers with smart lighting systems. They managed illumination in real time, which improved coordination and response efficiency. Strengthen fire prevention, early warning. Modern Photocell sensors integrate with IoT systems to monitor environmental changes like temperature and smoke, triggering early alerts to prevent disasters from worsening. They're more advanced than light adjustment tools. Automated fire detection. Photocell-controlled streetlights are linked to photoelectric sensors. They can help spot potential fire hazards. Real-time alerts to authorities. These sensors send immediate warnings to firefighting teams. They allow for faster response times. Enhanced urban safety. Cities that deploy photocontrol receptacles with integrated fire detection sensors can proactively prevent disasters rather than just reacting to them. Close ties between the Los Angeles fire and photocontrollers. The Eaton Fire in Los Angeles showed how fast urban disasters can escalate. As emergency teams worked, smoke reduced visibility, and power outages caused issues. Photocontrollers played a key role. Modern Photocell streetlights aren't just switches. They adapt to real-time conditions, ensuring safety during emergencies. Some key advantages of Photocell LED streetlight technology include automatic streetlight adjustments to provide firefighters with clear vision. Emergency zones have a stable power supply. This power stays on even during widespread power cuts. Remote operation is done through smart streetlight controllers. They keep the lights working even in hazardous conditions. Cities use Photocell switches and photoelectric sensors. This improves their emergency response systems and makes them safer and more efficient during disasters. Multifunctional applications of photocontrollers. Photocell control systems automate lighting, enhance monitoring, and improve energy efficiency in cities. Number 1. Normal automatic adjustment functions. In everyday conditions, Photocell streetlights work as energy-efficient solutions. They automatically adjust their brightness based on the environment. Lights should turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn. This helps save energy. Adjust brightness levels. They change with traffic and pedestrian activity. Integrate with renewable energy sources. This further reduces electricity costs. Number 2. Real-time monitoring and early warning during disasters. Real-time monitoring of environmental conditions. Automated transmission of early warning signals. Adaptive responses, such as increasing light output during emergencies. Number 3. IoT and big data integration for disaster prediction. Predict potential fire outbreaks. Base these predictions on weather conditions. Deploy preventive measures. For example, increase streetlight visibility in high-risk areas. When disaster strikes, emergency lighting protocols turn on automatically. They are triggered without delay. Photocontrollers are vital for disaster management. The Eaton Fire in Los Angeles highlighted the importance of smart urban lighting for disaster management. Photocell sensors enhance emergency response, prevent fires, and improve recovery through IoT and smart city integration.